Hello everyone, today we are going to learn how to make a rib between two circular edges using lofted boss base command. So in order to make a rib, what I'm going to do first I'm going to select this surface, the bottom surface, and sketch on it. I'm going to select corner rectangle, okay, and draw a rectangle intersecting both the circular edges. Then I'm going to add a dimension of 15 mm. You can add any dimension depending on the thickness of your rib. So I'm going to add dimension of 15 mm. Finish. After I've added dimension, then I'm going to convert these two circular edges using convert entities. After that, I'm going to trim out the unwanted lines in the drawing. So I'm going to go to trim entities, okay, select power trim and trim out the unwanted lines. See, I'm trimming it out. After I've trimmed it out, I'm going to exit the sketch. After I've exited the sketch, in features, I'm going to go to curves. In curves, I'm going to select split line. Why I'm going to select split line? In order to project this sketch on this surface. So as you can see, the sketch has already been selected. If it is not automatically been selected, you can always select it from here. So in my case, it has already been selected, so I don't have to select it. So after I've selected this sketch in selections, as you can see in selections, I've selected sketch 8. Then I'm going to click on this surface and then go to split line and click on OK, green tick. See, you can see the sketch has been projected on this surface. Sketch 8 has been projected on this surface. After that, it's time to make a rib using lofted boss base. In features, I'm going to go to lofted boss base, click on it, and in profiles, first I'm going to select the original sketch 8. As you can see, I've selected it, and then from the model I'm going to select this projected surface. So I'm going to you can see I've selected this profile. Now in order to make a rib, as you can see, there are two green spheres. So I'm going to the topmost sphere, I'm going to move it on this corner, okay. And after that, after I moved it to this corner, what I'm going to do, I'm going to select this sphere, the topmost sphere, the green sphere, and I'm going to drag this one over here to the bottom. You can see the rib has been made. So what I'm going to do after this, I'm going to select the green tick box loft, and as you can see, the rib has been made. This is how we make a rib using lofted boss base command. Thank you very much.